Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 4K laser projectors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Optima 4K Laser Projector. You can bring the cinematic experience home with the incredible 4,000 lumens, 1080p Optima HZ39HDR Laser Home Theater Projector. It has a DuraCore Laser Light Source Eliminates lamp and filter replacements for up to 30,000 hours of maintenance-free operation with stunning color. Also and image quality throughout the life of the projector. The compact size and low weight make mounting a breeze while its quiet operation ensures the HZ39HDR is seen not heard. This vertical keystone correction and a 1.3x optical zoom provide flexible installation options. This Blu-ray 3D support brings the immersive 3D movie experience home when paired with optional DLP-Link 3D glasses. At number 5 we have Samsung 4K Laser Projector. You can enjoy cinematic picture quality from 4K UHD Ultra Bright Laser in 4K resolution with 2200 lumens. You have access your favorite apps, streaming services and smart home devices right from your projector. You can place this compact 4K projector inches from the wall, turning any room into a home cinema. You can elevate your home theater with audio from the mighty subwoofer and 30-watt speakers in this 2.2-channel system. You can ask Alexa, Google Assistant or Bixby to open apps, change channels, control smart home devices and more. At number 4 we have Optima 4K Laser Projector. You can enjoy a high-quality cinematic home theater experience with 4K Ultra HD HDR10 technology. And an incredible 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio. You can experience richer colors and enhanced brightness with the 6-segment color wheel. The RGB color wheel brings accurate cinematic color to your home. That's reproducing movies, TV and games the way the director envisioned it. This laser technology delivers outstanding brightness up to 30,000 hours of light source life. That maintains stunning image quality throughout its lifespan. The 3000 lumens of brightness enable lights on viewing in a variety of rooms any time of day. At number 3 we have Epson 4K Laser Projector. You can imagine an incredibly bright and colorful projected image up to 150 inches on virtually any wall or dedicated screen. It is built-in Android TV with a simple-to-use remote. And including voice search with built-in Google Assistant. It is designed with simplicity in mind. The Epson EF100 has a clean, compact and modern design available in white and silver or black and copper to beautifully fit within any decor. This unique multi-array laser diode technology to produce an exceptional level of brightness while significantly enhancing the black density. The result is an exceptionally bright and clear image far beyond most projectors in this class. At number 2 we have LG 4K Laser Projector. It comes with 4K UHD resolution, 2700 ANSI lumens, HDR10 support, embedded LG Smart TV and more. The LG HU85 LA Ultra Short Throw Projector has it all. In addition to features that tech enthusiasts love. This laser projector creates a powerful picture even in under ambient lighting conditions. While only occupying a small amount of space. You can just place it on any surface 7.1 inches from the wall. And immediately jump to a breathtaking 120-inch 4K UHD screen. At number 1 we have Optima 4K Laser Projector. This DuraCore Laser Light Source eliminates lamp and filter replacements for up to 30,000 hours of low-cost and virtually maintenance-free operation. This IPX6 dust resistance rating ensures optical engine durability and longevity. This and HLG technologies enable brighter whites and deeper black levels for an enhanced that's viewing experience of images and videos. It is ideal for digital signage applications. The ZH403 can be rotated 90 degrees to display a portrait image. The projector can display images over a 360 degrees range along the horizontal axis. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best 4K laser projectors for your need.